Good morning, good day to all of us nationwide, worldwide, to the different countries, to the different people in this world, to the different time that we have here in this earth. Okay, so thank you YouTube. Kumusta YouTube? Kumusta to all subscriber, viewers, supporters of my YouTube channel. Now, it's already 5:30. I finish na. I wake up at 4 o'clock and 4:30 and I go na in the kitchen to fix for the breakfast of Celine and for the lunch box. Okay. So how are you? How are you? Kumusta? Kumusta to all of us in this world, in this earth? Kumusta? 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 Good morning, good morning. We have a very beautiful rose. Okay. I'm feeling that it's mine, but it's not mine. This one is for Madam. I'm just make video of this one because it smells so good. Okay, so very nice. Yeah, so nice. Rose is so great. Now I go in the kitchen. I just finished to make the lunch box porcelain. Very nice. It's very nice. With the rose candle also. Yeah. That's what the mix box. It's bitter box, but it's bitter also with what's that? It depends. So, some mga madam or mga ladies, if you have flowers to create, how to give to someone else, to your mother, to your sister, to your friends, even to your boyfriend, to your father, to your brother. You can search this one, and you can you can visit their flower shop. Flowers for flowers. Yeah, it's very nice. Thank you again. Thank you for watching. Thank you for everything that you are giving to me. And thank you that you are always supported in my YouTube channel. Thank you, YouTube company. Thank you for everything that you are giving me time to enter in your company. As a blogger, I wish someday if I can reach my hours time that I need it in my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you very much to all my families in the home island, in the Surigao City, Surigao del Norte, Dinagat Albor, Lipo, Dinagat Island, to all barangays there, to all cities there, to all that you know who I am. Thank you for your support, and I wish that you can subscribe also in my channel if you are watching in the YouTube social media. Thank you very much, and to all some bloggers that you are still supported on me from the 1 subscriber until now, and to the some blogger also, thank you and bye. God bless.